Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to flip an image in Pixlr. So first go to pixlr.com and scroll down and select Pixlr Editor. Here click on Open Image to open a new an image from your computer, or click on Create New to create a new image. Let's just click on Open Image. And now click on the picture you want to add and then click Open. Now here, click on this icon to unlock the layer, or right click on this layer and select Unlocked. Now go to this icon here and click on it. Then click on Flip Horizontally if you want to flip the image horizontally. Or you can click on this icon to flip the image vertically. Or you can go to Edit here and Transform, then click on Flip Horizontally if you want to flip it horizontally, or flip vertical if you want to flip it vertically. Now let's flip it again. And once you're done, just click on this icon here to save your image. Select the format you want, then click on Save As. Or you can go to File here and click on Save. Then select the format you want and click on Save As. Select the location where you want to save your image, then click on Save. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.